Hello everyone, it's Teacher Pam. In today's mini tutorial, you will learn how to attach audio files to your Google Slides presentation.
If you want to learn how this is done, then please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I use screencastify to record audios and videos. If you don't have this extension yet, you can just type screencastify extension to your Google search bar, click the topmost result, and then add it to your Chrome. It will download automatically, and then click the puzzle icon on your toolbar menu, and then click the push pin icon to make it appear on your toolbar. It will ask your permission to allow certain tasks that is associated with the app. Finally, sign in with your Google account and enable the use of your mic and camera. It would take you to a mini tutorial as well on how to use the app. To begin a recording, click the icon on your toolbar and then set the mic you are using. In this tutorial, I disabled the camera manually because all I need is the audio recording. You will hear a countdown before it starts recording, so make sure to talk after the timer. Once you're done, click on the icon again to stop the recording.
Hello everyone, it's Teacher Pam. In today's mini tutorial, you will learn how to attach audio files to your Google Slides presentation.
On the panel menu, go to the Download section and choose Export Audio Only. Go to your Google Drive. You will need the one with the headphone icon because that signifies it's the audio file you just exported. Right-click on it, click Share, and then set the link sharing from Restricted to anyone with the link. Then hit Done. To attach the audio to your presentation, go to the slide you intend to attach this recording. Click Insert and then choose Audio. On the My Drive tab, the one I just recorded will appear first on the selection. Click on it and it will attach to that slide you're on. In the format options, I usually just choose the play automatically and then I'll check the hide icon when presenting so as not to distract my viewers as they listen to my presentation.
Hello everyone, it's Teacher Pam. In today's mini tutorial, you will learn how to attach audio files to your Google Slides presentation.
Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you on the next one. Bye!